Good morning, ALS learners, and welcome to Learning Strand 2, Scientific Literacy and Critical Thinking Skills. So this morning, we will talk about the respiratory system. What is respiratory system? It is consists of the nose, the bronchial tube, trachea, and a pair of lungs. Breathing or respiration involves inhaling, taking in air or oxygen, usually through the nose, and exhaling involves releasing air or the carbon dioxide. This is the process of the respiratory system. First, we inhale air or oxygen through our nose. Second, it passes down through our throat to the trachea or the windpipe. Third, air reaches the lungs through the bronchial tubes. And the last one, the exchange of gases occurs in the lungs. Oxygen is supplied to the blood through the blood vessels. Carbon dioxide is removed from it when we exhale. So, what are the common diseases of the respiratory system? These are the common diseases of our respiratory system. First, cough. Second, asthma. Third, tonsillitis. Four, common colds. The last one is tuberculosis. And these are the tips to keep our respiratory system healthy. First, eat healthy foods. Exercise regularly. Always breathe in fresh air. Get the proper amount of sleep. Observe proper posture at all. Have a physical examination once a year or as often as necessary. Do not smoke and avoid pollution. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day ahead.